What's going on, YouTube family? This is Jesse from the Imperial Academy. If this is your first time watching, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe now. Alright, now that I have your attention, for all you Halloween fans, and I mean October fans, or photography fans, I found something at the thrift store for $3. This is really cool. I always wanted one of these, but it just always hurt my eyes, and now I have it for $3. But the thing is, the power strip at the thrift store wasn't working, so I bought it anyways, and the lady told me that I can take it back within a few weeks or so, as long as I have the receipt. If it doesn't work, then I can go ahead and take it back, and for $3, I mean, what the hell, go get a record or something, I don't know. So let's go ahead and start this show. All right, here we go. It is a strobe light. And right here you can go ahead, and if you had the bracket, you can actually hook it up to here and hang it into a tree. And then there's the other bracket. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Like I said, I haven't tried it. There's a knob here, left and right. Maybe it's because of the brightness of the light, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure how old this thing is, but it's dusty as hell, so I'm gonna have to sweep again. So let's go ahead and take a look. Plugging it in now. Okay. It works. There's also sound to it. There's a speaker. Where? That is so cool. And then when you turn the knob to the right, whoa, my eyes, it goes faster. So let's turn it to the left and slow it down. This is pretty cool for $3. I just need to clean it up. Let's see here. There's no volume for the speaker, so I mean, not bad. Pretty cool for $3. Why not? It is dirty. I just gotta clean it. Interesting. And this is good for photography. Also, if you have your ISO down and you have it kind of timed, 3 seconds, depending what you're taking a picture of, maybe you can get some really good streaks or some light into your toys or whatever your photography. Just use your imagination. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this very special Halloween item that I found for $3 at the thrift store, and it looks like I won't be taking it back. Alright guys, go ahead and hit subscribe, like. Let me know what you think. What did you guys find? Take care.